Hey there, this is your English teacher, and today we are going to talk about public transport. This is an easy English conversation between two friends about public transport. Before we start, remember to download the free PDF guide to help you improve your listening skills. You can find the link below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to improve your English with us. Let's go. Hi, my name is Student 1. What's your name? Hi, my name is Student 2. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I'm from Student 1. And you? I'm from Student 2. What do you do here? I'm a Student 1. And what do you do? I'm a Student 2. That's nice. So, do you use public transport? Yes, I do. How about you? Of course. Which means, of course, I use it. Do you use public transport often? Yes, I do. I use it every day. How about you? I use it every day too. Which means, I use it every day. I use the bus to get to work. The bus is cheap and comfortable. I usually catch the bus at the corner. Usually means normally or typically. To catch the bus is a phrasal verb, which means to take the bus. To get to work means to arrive at work. It's important to note that in English we use the present simple tense when talking about habits or things that we do regularly. For example, I use public transport every day. This sentence means that every day you use public transport. You can also say I usually use public transport or I often use public transport, which both mean the same thing. The bus is cheap and comfortable. Cheap means inexpensive. And comfortable means relaxed and cozy. The bus is my favorite form of public transport. I also use the subway. The subway is fast and convenient. There isn't any traffic. Traffic is when cars, buses, bikes and other vehicles are stuck. Because there are too many of them on the road. So when there isn't any traffic, everything is fine and there are no delays. How about the train? Does the train have any advantages? Yes, of course. The train is an excellent option if you want to travel long distances. Traveling long distances means traveling a lot of kilometers. If you want to travel long distances, the train is a very good option. The train is better than the bus because you can make reservations. You can make reservations means you can book your seat. And trains usually have fewer delays than buses. But sometimes the train can be expensive. A ticket for the subway or a bus is much cheaper than a train ticket. What other forms of public transport are there? We haven't talked about the tram. The tram is another good option. It's better than the bus because it's faster and it's not as expensive as the train. And there is one more thing. People who ride the tram say it's more fun than the bus because it's usually open at the top, so you can see everything around you. Well, thank you so much for your help. You're welcome. It was nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you too. Bye. Bye. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, remember to subscribe to the channel to improve your English with us. Thanks for watching and see you next time.